This section will be further looking into resources by fine-tuning resource information. We'll be assigning an email to your resource, setting the resource's availability, adding resource notes, and reviewing the resource's calendar. By now you should have already created your resource list in the resource sheet and set some basic information about each of the resources you have created. But to add a bit further detail about each of these resources, you need to double-click on the resource to open the resource information dialog box. And in here, there's a number of things you can do. For example, you can add an email for your work resource. You can select if that resource is proposed or if it's a committed resource. You can select when the resource will be available from. And this will help with when you're doing your automatic scheduling. So if I just set those 2 days there. I can also change working times of that resource. So I can change from a different calendar to the one that we have created when setting up the project at the beginning. So I can change the work weeks. So for example, I can say that a Saturday already is a working day, but I'm going to make that a non-working day as well. So you can see there it's showing up as a non-working day. In exceptions, I can say when the resource is on holiday. So this resource is on holiday from the 21st to the 23rd. And I just simply press OK. In the resource information dialog box, you can also click on the Notes tab, and you can add in any additional notes you want to make about that particular resource. So, for example, resource is on a holiday on the 23rd of July, and then if I just press OK. So you can see here that I've created a note for that particular resource. And you can do a similar thing for all the resources you have created, and different boxes will be available to you depending on the type of resource you have set. Okay, so that just gave you a little bit more information about how to create some more detail about a particular resource.